Typewriters, like most machines built to last and be loved, only break when we don't use them. Typewriters want to type, and when they don't, they punish us. I use my typewriter every day. Not using it is not a problem for me. Letters to new patrons, letters to pen pals, scripts for these videos. Yet even if we use our typing machine often, they still require scheduled checkups or maintenance. As if a car that is driven every day still requires a scheduled oil change. It's our appreciation for their service. Every typewriter is different. This typewriter that one of my pen pal uses types in cursive. As such, your typewriter or your future typewriter will vary slightly or drastically from mine. As with cars, the mechanics will look different, the outside will look different, and the inside will look different too. But the majority of manual typewriters, if not all, use ribbon. Ribbon holds the ink that will make the impression of type on our paper. It's comparable to oil in an engine, the blood of a machine. Ribbon cycles through the type guide, and once it spools up to one side, we flip the ribbon reverse lever, making it go back to the other side. Now, depending on how much you use your typewriter, your ribbon replacement period will vary. Mine is once every couple months. You can tell once your type starts to fade and take on a grayish color. Replacing ribbon is pretty easy, and I wear gloves as to not paint my hands with ink. My typewriter is the Royal Aristocrat and was built in 1948. That makes this machine almost 80 years old, and it still works perfectly. They really don't make things like they used to. It was before companies realized that making products last a lifetime wasn't the best business plan. But anyway, my Aristocrat actually needs new ribbon, so I'll do that now. The other form of maintenance we must perform is cleaning. We do this once in a blue moon with a typewriter. After about a year of daily use, maybe even longer, the keys or hammers will get blotched up with old ink. It's always interesting to see which keys we use the most, which ones have the most ink on them. We clean our keys using mineral spirits and an old toothbrush. Scrub it good, scrub it clean. If a key is stuck or any other parts need lubrication, we use gun oil. As the name suggests, this is meant to be used for guns, but it also works for typewriters and the small moving parts that come with them. Dust is the enemy of all typewriters. The reason they stop working is from the collection of dust over time. I've yet to buy a proper cover for my machine and use this microfiber cloth instead. But if we notice an excess amount of dust on our typewriters, we use an air compressor to remove it. The air compressor works well with removing all the dust and crud even in the tight spaces and linkages. And that's all the maintenance we really need to do. But then again, the best form of maintenance with a typewriter is just to use it. Typewriters want to type. One of the benefits of joining the Patreon is that I hand type a letter to you, a thank you letter to you, right after you join. It's one of my favorite things to do, and also joining the Patreon engages you in a real community of other people. The link is right here. Thank you for watching.